Taas ang kamay ng mga pagod. Pansinin niyo, hindi spa, hindi beach, hindi kain sa labas, hindi good time ang makakapawi ng pagod mo. Lahat yun okay. Pero narasan nyo na ba ito? Yung nag-beach ka, vacation leave ka, travel ka. Pero habang nandun ka sa beach, your mind is racing with all the anxiety. Ganda, in-Instagram mo pa eh. Pero hindi panatag yung puso mo, hindi panatag yung utak mo. Akala mo marerelax ka nung nagbakasyon ka, pero ang ending pag-uwi mo, parang mas lalo ka pang napagod. Mabigat pa rin yung puso mo. If that's who you are, here's what I would like you to do. I want you to check. Because this is not a scheduling problem. It's not about finding the right hobby or finding the stress-relieving activity problem. No. This is a heart problem. Because at the root of our pathological busyness is our lack of trust in God. Yun ang problema natin eh. Alam natin si Lord ang may control ng buhay natin. We know that. But here's our problem. Alam natin siya yung may control, pero pilit nating inaagaw yung control sa Kanya. Kaya nga tayo nagmamadali. Minsan nagdadasal tayo kay Lord, Lord, kailan ba darating yan? Kailan ba ako? When will I arrive? When will I get there? Lord, alam ko naman darating yung promise mo. Pero pwede ko bang mahingi yung tracking number? O kaya, kasi malaman ko lang, Lord, kung nasaan yung promise mo, ako na mismo ang pupunta. Susunduin ko. Baka nahihirapan kang ihatid sa akin eh. But here's what I like you to do and to know. Please, true rest is deliberately letting go. Because how can God take care of you if you will not let go and let Him take care of you?